Original Black&Decker vacuum cleaner for cars, ACV 1205, being packed for Daraz order. This is the shipping label. 24th April 2025. We are Orion Engineering Company. It is complete accessories inside this original bag. This is the vacuum cleaner. Two accessories are inside. These are the pipes and other accessories. It's long wire, it's brush, everything is placed inside. We are now packing it in a secure box so that it doesn't get damaged in transit. Review करना है चलो मार्कर से लिख दो इसमें वैक्यूम. इंग्लिश में भी लिखो नीचे VA डबल C WM हाँ M एक C होता है वैसे. मैंने दो लिखवा दिया. चलो कोई बात नहीं, बंद करो, पैक करो. आज जो है ना दोनों CPT वाले डब्बे गाड़ी में रखे. इसने अभी तक बताया नहीं है वो. AC वाले में हो सकता है वो बाद में कह दे. ठीक है, मेरे पास पड़ा हुआ. छोटा वाला है. The packing is complete and now we are pasting the shipping label. Kindly do not forget to give review on Daraz when you receive the item. Please give the review with its original pictures. If you have any inquiry, any issue, please contact us on Daraz chat and we will happily guide you. Thank you.